How to become a millionaire? It's simpler than you think. So, just how easy is it to become a millionaire? Well, easy isn't the right word. It requires a lot of intentionally, discipline, and patience. So a better term than easy is simple. By studying the common practices of millionaires, we can identify patterns and follow in their steps to become a millionaire. How to become a millionaire with no money. Here are 7 tips to find out how to become a millionaire with no money. 1. Develop a millionaire's mindset. But more than anything, wealth is a mental game. Plan ahead. Think ahead about your short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial plan and what you'll do in case of emergencies. Determination. It's important to stay determined with your goal and never give up on your dreams, no matter how big they are. Patience and delayed gratification. Be willing to delay present wants for future goals. Confidence. If you start with a mindset that you can't, you probably won't, but the opposite is also true. Openness. Be willing to learn, make mistakes or even fail sometimes, and then learn even more. 2. Carefully watch your expenses, big and small. One of the quickest ways to hamstring your financial progress is to buy too much house or too much car. 3. Try to max out retirement investment accounts. Today, there is an all-time high of both 401k millionaires and IRA millionaires, meaning that people become millionaires just by investing in these accounts. Crunch the numbers. If you max out only your 401k by contributing $1,625 a month, it would take you about 19 years. 4. Increase your income to become a millionaire faster. Increasing your income is how to become a millionaire fast. 5. Use your money to make money. Using your money to make money with little active effort is called passive income. 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. But remember, the average American is about $90,460 in debt, including their mortgages. 7. Avoid debt at all costs. If you need to know how to become a millionaire with no money, one way is to have more to invest by getting rid of debt. How do millionaires make their money? It's important to note that about 90% of the billionaires in America are self-made. Business. You might become wealthy as an entrepreneur. Stock market investing. Many millionaires put money into investments such as stocks to make a profit. Real estate. In fact, 90% of millionaires around the world made their money from real estate investments. Asset appreciation. If your assets go up in value, it raises your net worth, and it could help make you a millionaire. Books on how to become a millionaire. These books help show you how easy it is to become wealthy, thanks to the many insights from those who have done it before. The Millionaire Next Door: The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy by Thomas J. Stanley. It shows that millionaires can be your Toyota driving neighbors and emphasizes why showing off with status symbols is worth so much less than financial independence and security. The Simple Path to Wealth: Your Roadmap to Financial Independence and a Rich, Free Life by J. L. Collins. The simple path to wealth is clear but comprehensive and highly actionable no matter what stage you're in with your financial journey. The Automatic Millionaire: A Powerful One-Step Plan to Live and Finish Rich by David Bach. The Automatic Millionaire is a good option for beginners who are looking for a set-it-and-forget-it process for how to become a millionaire. You can become a millionaire. You will learn how to transform your mindset, create a budget that works, set financial goals, and organize your finances.